Welcome to Nora IPLM, a unified platform for innovation and product lifecycle management. In this demo video, you'll see how organizations can manage the complete product lifecycle within a single connected environment, from ideas, requirements, and CAD data to BOMs, projects, documents, configurations, change management, workflows, and analytics. Let's start with BOM management. Simplify BOM analysis using flat mode. Switch to structure mode for the default BOM hierarchy view and use expand controls to navigate the structure dynamically. Consolidate repeated items or visualize multiple instances separately. Reverse mode enables fast where-used analysis by displaying all parent relationships of the selected object. Phantom mode collapses non-physical grouping items to simplify complex structures. Mark an item as phantom and control its visibility directly within the structure. Select Hide or Show under Phantom levels in the Preferences to manage Phantom element. Activate Diagram View to explore the structure through an interactive graphical layout that clearly visualizes parent-child relationships, hierarchy flow, and component dependencies. Toggle between different modes to improve visibility and gain clarity of the structure. Let's see CAD integration and preview. Use the Nora IPLM SolidWorks add-in to create and synchronize structures with Get Data and Sync Data commands. Instantly visualize 3D models anywhere in the platform through thumbnail and previews. The dedicated advanced viewer capabilities provide enhanced model visualization through configurable display modes, edge and background settings. Let's explore highlight mode and interactive viewing. Turn on highlight mode to instantly visualize selected subcomponents. Use transparency and focus options for better part visibility. Manage hybrid BOMs with inline editing. Build comprehensive multidisciplinary BOMs using Quick Create with Relations to seamlessly connect electrical and software items across the structure. Dynamically expand and collapse assemblies for improved structure readability. The Structure and Table widget supports and enable efficient inline modifications with flexible bulk editing capabilities. Open the objects in the Table widget and edit the attributes by entering or selecting drop-down values. Use Mass Update to efficiently populate attributes. Let's look at attribute mapping and structure refinement. Configure attribute mapping between SolidWorks and Nora IPLM to enable streamlined bidirectional synchronization of item and attribute data. Let's open the assembly with the updated platform attributes in SolidWorks. Let's check the custom properties in SolidWorks. Update a few values. Upload the changes back to the platform to verify successful synchronization. Refine BOM structures by selectively controlling visible elements of a structure to simplify complex assemblies and preserving refinement configurations for reuse. Explore the product and program management setup. Use Quick Create to rapidly capture new ideas. Similarly, create a new product using the Quick Create option. Navigate to the Relations pane. Select Idea tab, search, drag, and drop an existing idea object to link it with the product. Use Quick Create with Relations to create and associate a new program. Let's see how to capture ideas, requirements, risks, and issues. Use Quick Create with Relations to efficiently connect ideas, requirements, risks, impacts, issues, and lessons learned to the program. Now let's explore project management. Open the program in the Details widget. Edit to populate the required attributes for effective program lifecycle management. Create a project directly from the program structure using the Quick Create with Relations option. Use Quick Create with Relations within the project structure to define phases and connect tasks, milestones, and gates for structured execution and progress management. edit and configure schedules, assignees, and execution timelines for effective planning, monitoring, and execution tracking. Similarly, edit and update the timelines, budget, review date with comments for the phases. Open the tasks, edit and add the assignees, timelines, and detailed instructions to execute the task. Now, open the milestone, edit to update the milestone date and other attributes. Open the gate, edit and update the due date and other timelines. All the timeline details have been updated to the project. Timeline management in Nora IPLM. Open the project in Timeline and adjust the timeline interval for better visibility. Explore revision and lifecycle views to review historical revisions and lifecycle states. Let's explore Pin to 3D. Select a document, use Pin to 3D, load the 3D preview, place pins and update the descriptions. Add detailed notes and attach files from local and create the context. Similarly, create context for issues, risks, and requirement. Open the 3D context model and manage the added pins using filter options and show or hide options for better context to model analysis and visualization. Now let's explore configuration and variant management. Define the configuration scope for an item by associating it with the product. Then click the indicator to open the product structure. Create variant models, features, and feature options under the product to enable configurable product management and support multiple product variants. Select an item and click on Define Effectivity. Select the required features, values, and save to reuse. Likewise, define effectivity for all the required items. Open the Configuration tab and select the appropriate variant model to begin creating a configurable product structure. Choose the required feature options while reviewing the real-time 3D preview to validate the selected configuration visually. The preview dynamically updates based on the selected options. Save the configuration. Choose a saved configuration to visualize its corresponding assembly structure, with the selected features, options in the saved configuration. Let's see document management. Upload documents using desktop service and preview them seamlessly anywhere within Nora IPLM for quick access, better visualization, and lifecycle collaboration. Use Checkout to download the document to the local folder. Now update the downloaded document as per the requirements. Use the check-in command and browse to locate the updated document from the local folder and save the document back to the platform as a new iteration. Open both the iterations in Viewer and split the integrated viewer side by side for document comparison and detailed content analysis. Let's check the workflows. Use Connect to Workflow to initiate the automated document approval and release through the workflows. Click on Start the Workflow, select the Start node, and change the display mode to Cards for more information. Assigned users or approvers will open the notified tasks, read through the instructions, and complete the notified tasks one by one to progress through the approval stages of the workflow nodes. All the approval tasks are completed, and the document is released successfully. Discover change management. Use Connect to CR to create the change request and enter the relevant change details. Submit the change request for approval by moving it to in approval state and sending collaboration message to the approver. The manager's approval triggers automatic change order creation from the approved change request. Use Create Change Task from the change order. Select the affected items and assign the task to the responsible assignee for controlling implementation and execution. The assigned users review the instructions and implement the required changes by opening the models from the platform in SOLIDWORKS, updating the model changes, and pushing the updated models back to the platform using desktop services. Finally, the change task is then submitted for approval. Approving the change task automatically completes the associated changes. Let's understand Comparison Widget. Use Comparison Widget for side-by-side comparison of structures using multiple comparison modes. Switch off Structure to compare objects' attribute details. Switch on Preview to compare 3D representations to analyze differences. Let's examine Navigator Widget. Open in Navigator to visualize relationships interactively. Select any object and use Set as Root to display its structure. Explore Relations tab and then use Relationship Manager to switch relationships on or off for show or hide control. Explore different view modes at Preferences. Let's learn how Kanban boards, charts, and metrics work. Kanban view enables efficient management of selected objects through customizable grouping and visual organization capabilities. Use Charts view to visualize and analyze selected data through configurable chart options, multiple chart types, filtering capabilities, and customizable interactive graphical representations for improved data understanding. Create metric dashboards with easy custom data filters and set critical parameters, configurable thresholds, real-time updates, and visual indicators to monitor product performance, trends, lifecycle progress, and operational efficiency in real time. Create a dashboard using metric data by opening it directly in Charts view. Configure chart types and visualization options to analyze trends and present the data in a clear and meaningful format. Let's review the History widget. Use History tab to track the object's history like lifecycle events, user actions, object preferences, username, and change activities. Open the same object in the History widget for a detailed view of the same information with advanced filtering and audit traceability capabilities. Let's understand Summary and Report Management. Use the Summary tab to generate summaries from BOM structures like Item Summary, Consolidated Flat BOM, and other structure-based reports. Similarly, generate project, change request, and change order summaries. Thank you for watching this demo. We appreciate your time.